Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series. If you've watched the previous video in this series, you already have the basic knowledge to update the aircraft model in JPAD Modeller. Now, let's make a step further. During this video we will see how to update an aircraft by adding or removing some components. JPAD Modeller can handle any number of engines, nacelles, lifting surface panels, and movable surfaces. Let's say we want to add 2 additional wingtip engines to this aircraft, and that we want to add an additional vertical tail panel to simulate the presence of a dorsal fin. For each element that supports the multi-component feature, JPAD Modeller provides you with 2 action buttons, allowing you to add a new item, or to remove the last added item. Now let's suppose we want to add a new engine. By default, the new item will be empty, and you cannot proceed with the update process until you have filled all the required data. Furthermore, by adding a new engine, a new item is also added to the list of engines and nacelles, in the nacelle and powerplant component. To ease the process, for complex components like engines and nacelles, JPAD Modeller makes you fill the new component data by copying them from other components. Let's copy the data related to the first engine, and set its Y position to be at the tip of the right wing. Now let's copy the first engine and nacelle data in the nacelle and powerplant component. The copy process helps you speed up the operations. However, for any additional modification, you should manually override the parameters of interest. We have now set up the new engine. Let's repeat the procedure to add another engine to the tip of the left wing. That's it. We are now done on the engine side. The only thing left is to add the extra vertical tail panel. Let's go to the vertical tail section and look for the panels section. Let's click on the Add Item button. A new panel will be added. Let's modify the first vertical tail to be our dorsal fin. Now let's link the new panel to the previous one, and let's manually fill all the required parameters. Okay. Now everything is set up. We can update the aircraft as we did in the previous video of this tutorial series. Congratulations! You made another step further. You have successfully completed the second update exercise in JPAD Modeller. The next video will show some additional update features related to internal cabin layout. So, see you there.